Hello everyone, this is Sachin Khatmal, and in the today's video we are going to understand very important role of the Reserve Bank of India in import and export transactions. Most of the EXIM professionals focus only on customs, DGFT and shipping documents. But without RBI regulations, no international payment can legally happen. So in this video, I will explain why RBI is important in international trade, RBI role in export transactions, RBI role in import transactions, FEMA regulations, and practical compliance point for importers and exporters. Let's start from the basics. Why RBI is important in EXIM? RBI is the Central Bank of India. It regulates foreign exchange, international payments, banking systems, external trade payments. All import and export payments must comply with Foreign Exchange Management Act. It's commonly known as FEMA. Without RBI guidelines, bank cannot process export proceeds. Import remittance cannot be sent abroad. Foreign currency transactions become illegal. So RBI ensures smooth and lawful foreign trade payments. Role of RBI in export transactions. Let's first understand RBI role in exports. When an exporter ships goods abroad, export proceeds must be realized in foreign currency. The payment must be received within the prescribed time limit. Exporter must submit shipping documents through authorized dealer bank. RBI sets rule for time limit for realization, extension in case of delay, write-off of unrealized export bills, advance payments regulations, export under letter of credit. RBI monitors whether foreign exchange earnings are properly repatriated to India. This helps maintain India's foreign exchange reserves. Role of RBI in import transactions. Now let's understand RBI role in imports. When an importer wants to make payment to a foreign supplier, payment must be routed through an authorized dealer bank. RBI regulates advance remittance rules, import payment timelines, import under letter of credit, import against open account, evidence of import submissions. Importer must submit bill of entry, import documents to the bank as a proof that goods have been received. This ensures that foreign exchange is used for genuine trade purpose. What is FEMA and why it matters? All RBI regulations for import-export operate under Foreign Exchange Management Act, that is FEMA. FEMA ensures control and legal foreign exchange transactions, preventing of money laundering, stability in currency management. Non-compliance with FEMA may result in heavy penalties, legal action, bank transactions. So compliance is extremely important in EXIM business. Practical compliance tips. Here are some practical tips for importer and exporter. First is always route payments through authorized bank. Second is ensure timely realization of export proceeds. Third is submit bill of entry to the bank within the time. After that, keep proper documentation and then monitor outstanding export bills. And the last is avoid unauthorized foreign currency transactions. Remember, custom clearance and RBI compliance are two different things. You may clear goods from customs, but without RBI compliance, transactions remain incomplete. How RBI impacts India's economy? RBI play a crucial role in managing foreign exchange reserves, stabilizing the rupees, regulating cross-border payments, maintaining trade balance discipline. By monitoring import and export payments, RBI protects the country's financial stability. So RBI is not directly handling cargo, but it controls the financial backbone of international trade. So today we understand why RBI is important in EXIM, RBI role in exports, RBI role in imports, FEMA regulations, practical compliance points. If you are serious about international trade, understanding RBI regulations is important as understanding customs procedure. Because in global trade, goods move physically, but money moves legally. If this video added value to your knowledge, like the video and share it with your EXIM buddies. This is Sachin Kradmal signing off. Until next time, keep learning and keep growing.